Hey there, little scientists and math explorers. It's me, Sparkie the Lightbulb. Welcome to our brand new series, Simple Geometry with Sparkie. We're going to explore shapes you see every single day, only now you'll see them like a true STEM detective. Today's adventure is all about circles. You see them in pizzas, bike wheels, and even the moon. Let's roll right into it.
Round and round, never end. Circles are our twisty friends.
A circle is a special shape where every point on the edge is the same distance from the middle. That's what makes it so perfectly round. Look around right now. Can you spot something shaped like a circle? Maybe a clock, a wheel, or even a cookie. Let's meet the radius. It's the line from the center of a circle to its edge. Now double that line, and you get the diameter. It's the distance all the way across, right through the middle. So if the radius of your pizza is 5 centimeters, the diameter is 10 centimeters. That means a bigger pizza. Yum! Okay, geometry explorers, find something circular near you. Try to imagine the center. Touch from the middle to the edge. That's the radius. Now across from edge to edge. That's the diameter. Cool, right? Now let's take a walk around the edge. This path all the way around the circle is called the circumference. The circumference tells us how far it is around the circle. In math terms, if you know the diameter, you can find the circumference using a special number called pi. It's about 3.14. Let's say the diameter of a cookie is 10 centimeters. Multiply it by 3.14. Your circumference is about 31.4 centimeters. That's one big cookie. Circles are everywhere. Engineers use them when designing wheels, gears, and clocks. Scientists use them to measure planets, and builders use them to design playgrounds. Next time you ride your bike, think about how that wheel spins perfectly because of circles. All right, circle champs, it's time for a quick quiz. Let's see what you learned. Question 1. If the radius is 4 centimeters, what's the diameter? That's right, 8 centimeters. Question 2. If the diameter is 6 centimeters, what's the circumference? Hint, multiply by 3.14. About 18.8 centimeters. Nice math. Question 3. Name something around you that's a circle. Clock, cookie, wheel, or plate. You've got it. You did amazing! Circles help shape our world, and now you know their secrets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next adventure in Simple Geometry with Sparkie. In our next video, we'll explore the power of triangles.
Learning shapes of